Hello, in this video I want to show you how to turn on camera shutter sound on XIAOMI Redmi Note 9 Pro. First you need to open the camera app on your phone and then find the three lines on the top right corner, click on it and then find the setting button, click on it. Then scroll down and here we have the shutter sound option, and we have use the slider for turn on this shutter sound on XIAOMI Redmi Note 9 Pro. And this all for today. We find this option and we can use this option. Goodbye.